talaga ha. Yeah, I'm gonna ask you to invite everybody.
Night or for
The light to, light. On Monday. Zen ba? Zen.
galing pa kami sa
Congrats.
Pasalubong
Hi pa. Para lang sa inyo, bumiyahe kami.
Busy. Busy sa work. For you.
From Bisaya po. Bisaya. Nag-invite kami ng Bisaya.
Zen, ilang minuto na lang ay magsisimula na nga itong watch party ng What's Wrong with Secretary Kim. At sa tanong mo kung anong mangyayari tonight, hayaan ko na ang mga bida na mag-share niyan. Kasama natin ngayon, Kim and Paolo. Hi guys!
Hello.
Okay, so ang tanong, ano bang mangyayari tonight sa watch party?
Today is going to be the first view official watch party. So makapanood ng mga nandito first episode ng What's Wrong with Secretary.
Yes, para siya sa mga fans and parang first time siya ginawa ng view.
Right.
So we're very excited to meet all of them. First time actually namin makikita.
Ayan ang mga Kim Pao, oh. Ayan na, oh. I
Ayan
know, they're very excited. Pero aware ba kayong dalawa na maraming kinikilig sa inyo?
Ewan lang. Sana, para panoorin nila tong secretary here.
Kasi sa Showtime kahapon pa, ang daming kinilig, ha?
Aware lang ako pag nakikita ko lang si Kim, nakikita ko siya.
Joke lang lang, joke lang lang. Kinikilig ka rin naman. Pero Paolo, did you envision na magiging close kayo?
Not really because nung nagtatrabaho kami dati nakataon lang rin na nakuha ako para dito sa malakas na ito. Hindi ko in-expect.
Ikaw, Kim.
Hindi talaga kasi hindi ko salita eh.
Right.
Pero dito sa secretary, maybe the role din kasi is light lang and then ang dami namin kaya na kami dalawa lang. So wala siyang magawa kami magkwentuhan at to-make up sa energy ko. So energetic na siya ng podcast.
I love it, I love it. Oh, pero what's right with Secretary?
What's right with Secretary Kim? It's her positive outlook in life.
What's right with Paolo?
Right with Paolo. Kim, being Paolo.
Grabe. O sige nga, bago ang Mikilig Fest tonight dito sa watch party. Kaya maswerte yung mga fans tonight talaga. Okay, please invite everybody sa Monday.
Hello mga pamilya, sa Lunes po March 18, ipapalabas na po Philippine adaptation of What's Wrong with Secretary Kim exclusively on View. Bale, bukas na po ng 12 p.m. pagpatak ng March, 12 midnight. Pagpatak ng March 18 palabas na po. First few episodes.
Yeah, kaya please do download the View app now. So ngayon, marami silang mapapanood mga trailer, teaser, the making, while waiting for the episode on March 18, 12 midnight. So, yun. Sabay-sabay pa natin panoorin. Sana po supportahan niyo kami. This is directed by Direk Chad Vidal.
At syempre, libre niyo pong mapapanood What's Wrong with Secretary Kim sa View. At kung gusto niyo pong mapanood ang advanced episodes namin, just subscribe sa premium version.
Alright. Congrats in advance. Pao and Kim, yan ang latest plan dito sa Watch Party. Balik sa'yo, Zen. Thank you guys.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Billet. We're done. Yes.
Kaharap naman dito.
Okay.
Sa
Balik pa out. Ay, doon.
May dadaan po, gilidan po tayo. Dadaan po, gilidan po tayo, ma'am. Baka po matamaan kayo.
Sino nga yun?
Ayan, mamaya.
As Daniel Park, Kim Won-shik. As Palma Aguinaldo, Brian C. As Steph Rojas, Jillian Vicencio. As Kat Liwanag, Kat Galang. As Philip Alvarez, Kat Herrera. As Robert Castillo, Franco Laurel. And now it's my pleasure to introduce to you our handsome and perfect boss, our Vice Chairman, Mr. Brandon Manansala Castillo, Paulo Avelino, and the very beautiful, ideal, and highly competent Secretary Kim Chu. Let's invite our cast to go up on stage. Grabe! Everybody please welcome Paolo Avelino and Kim Chu! Okay, let's call in the rest of the cast. Ayan! Okay, I think, yes, pasok mo yan. There you go. Okay, I'll give you a few seconds to take photos. Go ahead. Take few photos, a few seconds lang. Go, go, go. Let's do it. Just a few seconds, okay? Alright, we'll have more photos later. Balikan na tayo sa upuan. Let's go back, let's go back. Kaway-kaway sa lahat. Grabe na to.
Hello po! Magandang gabi!
Ang tupid mo naman, Kim. Grabe. Paolo!
Hello, hello everyone. Thank you for coming. Gusto ko magpasalamat sa inyo in advance. You kept spreading the word about Linlang and now you're here helping us for What's Wrong with Secretary Kim. So thank you for the work you've done and thank you in advance for spreading the word about our show.
Thank you, Pao. Kim!
Yes, sa lahat ng mga nandito, maraming salamat. Namiss ko kayo lahat sa mga familiar faces ng aking family. And it's good to see new faces na nagmamahal at support na sa amin ni Paolo. Maraming salamat. At sa lahat ng mga nandito ngayong gabi, thank you po, thank you. Siyempre sa family namin, Dreamscape, you, thank you so much. And yeah, I love you so much. I
Yo!
love
Love it. Brian, please greet everybody.
Hi, hello po. Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat po sa pagdating to our bosses from ABS and View. I am so excited to
Yes!
watch this. My God, let's go. First to last.
Julia!
Yes, and po, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat and thank you for coming here. Sana po ma-enjoy nyo ang aming adaptation ng What's Wrong with Secretary Kim. First time din po namin mapapanood ito, so let's enjoy!
Love it. Franco! Please greet everybody.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat at maraming salamat po sa pagdalo nyo ngayong gabi. Mapapanood na po natin ngayon ang first 2 episodes ng What's Wrong with Secretary. Excited na ba kayo?
Yes!
First time din namin mapapanood kaya sobrang excited din kami at ulit maraming salamat po sa inyo.
Thank you, Franco. Kat!
Sir MJN, good evening po to everybody. Maraming salamat po sa inyong oras ngayong gabi para sabay-sabay po tayong manood ng first 2 episodes ng What's Wrong with Secretary Kim. I'm sure excited na kayo. Kami rin hindi pa namin nakikita.
Grabe na!
Ay!
Sabay-sabay tayong
Sabay-sabay
kiligin.
tayong kiligin later.
Actually, kinikilig na kami sa posters pa lang, di ba? Sa
Yes!
Eh, mas lalo na ngayon, mas kikiligin dun sa...
Hindi, yung presence pa lang nilang dalawa, kinikilig na tayo na.
Actually, ano yung nararamdaman na nga namin dito sa stage show?
Eh?
Yung energy ng Twinkle.
I love it. One shake, please greet everybody.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ako si Worship. I'm so excited to be here and watch this. Thank you. What's Wrong with Secretary Kim with you guys? And kinikilig ako.
Ay! Kinikilig din si Juan.
Marami siya. Sobra. Maraming salamat po sa inyo.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bago kayo.
Ayan. And of course, the actor of the year, Pepe Herrera, please! Grabe ka na!
Anong sa'yo? Saranghe,
Ay!
kamsamida.
Grabe na!
Maraming salamat po. Ngayon, malalaman nyo na, mapapanood nyo na kung ano yung tinutukoy namin ng press con. Ito na po, in a few seconds, mapapanood na natin ang first 2 episodes ng What's Wrong with Secretary Kim!
Wow! O, simulan na natin. Punta na kayo sa pwesto ninyo. Let's go! Let's do it! Simulan na natin ang exciting na watch party na ito. Medyo a few reminder lang, no? Yung mapapanood nyo kasi medyo bright lang masyado yung LED. So, pero may konting, maliwanag lang ng konti. But if you watch this on the View app, perfect na perfect yung timpla, yung brightness and everything. Okay? Again, reminding everybody, bawal tayong mag-screen record. Please lang po, pag nag-start na yung ating viewing party. Bawal mag-record. Kung love natin si Kim, sa si Pao, and the whole project, please, meron tayong mga team na umiikot dyan. So, sumunod na lang tayo. Di ba? Huwag na tayo magpahuli. Okay. Meron pa daw ditong Pepe Natics. Ayun! Kasi naman yung pangalan. Yung fan club name yun naman kasi Nina. Okay, ayan, medyo nag-highlight lang ating cast members sa ating mga executives from ABS-CBN Studios and View Philippines.
Itong microphone sa amin na to.
Of course, Pepe, pwede mo na yung i-uwi. Okay. Again, reminding everybody, please, wag lang po tayong mag-record. Yeah.
Kaya si Pepe, kaya Pepe.
Ayan. Hello din pala sa ating mga kasamahan sa press na nandito ngayon, our media friends, our vloggers. Thank you for helping us. Ang team ng corporate communications with Aaron Domingo is here. Hi Aaron. Thank you for helping us tonight.
Paano mo si JJ?
Okay, so we're just waiting for our cast members to settle down. Yan, nag-hi-hi lang sila.
Lago Pepe.
Okay. Nag-hi lang po sa mga ninong at ninang. Okay, again, yung mapapanood yun tonight is the first 2 episodes. So again, medyo bright lang ng konti, no? Dahil masyado maliwanag yung ating LED screen. So if you wanna watch it, I'm sure you will watch it on the View app. Perfect ang timpla. So you can watch that starting Monday. Okay, mamaya na magpa-picture, Aaron Domingo. Ikaw pa talaga na muna. Alright. Ready na ba? Ready na ba mga fans ng Kirpaw? Here we go. Enjoy the first 2 episodes of What's Wrong with Secretary Kim. Ano ba? Siguro ano muna reaction ninyo sa inyong napanood, Kim and Pao?
Sobrang happy. Yun ang namin napanood actually. First 2 episodes, tapos hearing your reactions. Talagang saya.
Pao, ikaw.
Ako, happy ako na mapanood ng marami. So, tinabuha ko yung reactions sa inyo. So, tinabuha kong...
Pero Pao, ikaras na-tense ako as ikaw as a boss. Medyo effective ka doon, effective ka. Pero yun nga, memorize ko yung last few lines niyo doon. Pwede ba natin i-reenact ulit yun? Kaya niyo ba? Kaya niyo ba? Kaya niyo ba?
Kim, sabi mo, mag-resign ka for personal reasons. So, what is it?
Personal nga po, kaya akin na lang. Pagnatak ba?
Hindi, yung sa dulo lang, yung parang very me, parang ganyan. Oh, pwede tayo na po kasi ako.
Time for what?
Time for baby.
So, gusto na ang pamilya. Get married.
Ano sakit ba doon? Copy po. Ayan. Ay, pagkatalapakan naman natin. The whole team.
Nakakatuwa.
Nakakatuwa.
Kami kasi alam na yung nangyayari.
Oh, pero iba pala talaga.
Iba pa rin pag nanonood kasama kayo.
Ayan.
Validation of what we're doing. Yeah, thank you so much.
Alright, now that we're done with the screening, we're taking one last surprise. Dahil we're doing a raffle. Ayan! Ano ang prize? Our raffle winner will get to take home the specially produced plushie! Si Carabay!
Oh, si Giant Carabay yung paparaffle niya.
Oh yes! Let's go up on stage, Kim, Pao, please. Alright, so we're raffling off Carabay. Okay, so sino kaya ang luckiest family na mag-uwi nito today? Asan ang ating raffle? Ayan. Okay, so abunutin na isa lang, no, right? Just one. Just one. Sino kaya ang maswerteng mananalo?
Sino may gusto kay Carabay?
Eto na. Paolo has it.
Nanalo.
Sorry.
Nanalo si Ate Heidi. So,
Ang nanalo.
Ate Heidi, so ino-donate na lang namin. Bakit kasali si Ate Heidi?
Everyone kasi is, listed.
Imelda Binag.
Oh my God! Come here! Imelda! Halika, come over here!
Mas mabigat pa po si Carabay po sa inyo, Tita Imelda.
Paano niyo po siya uuwiin?
Padaanin natin si Nanay Imelda. Come! Palamahan natin si Nanay Imelda. Siya ang nanalo ng ating plushie na si Carabay. Ayan, tara. Ayan, hello po. Congratulations, you have Carabay!
Kaya niyo po ba? Tulungan natin si ate.
Kaya yan. Ano po ang inyong masasabi na kayo po ang nanalo and you're here?
Thank you so much po, tsaka sa King Pao.
Hey!
In-invite kami dito, ABS-CBN.
Ayan. Ano masasabi mo na napanood mo na ang first 2 episodes?
Super kilig po.
Maraming salamat pala si Nanay Imelda. Thank you very much. Thank you, Mami. Okay, salamat po. May we invite, okay, picture muna with Mami Imelda. Okay, Mami Imelda, one last talk picture lang. Isa lang pong photo. Kasama po si Carabay. Ayan.
Basta phone niyo po.
Baba lang. Ayan.
Kaya naman niya pong tumayo sa sarili niyang paa. Kaya mo, di ba?
Tara, nag-text mo si Nanay. Anak, nanalo ako.
Anak, nanalo ako ng Carabay.
Okay, ayun. Ayun. Tama nga naman. Ayan!
Basta punit mo.
Ayun, bongga. I love this! Thank you! Congratulations! Mami Imelda, maraming salamat po. May we invite the rest of the cast? Kat, Brian, Jillian, Franco, Pepe, please. May we invite you here on stage? Ayan. Yung mga nasa mo, huwag na po tatayo para po makita ng mga nasa likod. Anong reaction nyo, Brian? Grabe!
Hopeless romantic ako at sobrang kinilig ako kanina. As in, gusto kong pumilig. Nabanggit ako. Sobrang natutuwa ako makita yung first 2 episodes. I am proud and happy of the work that we've done. And I'm excited to see the next other episodes further.
Asan si Jessie Manuel? Di ba siya yung girlfriend? Di ba yung girlfriend? Asan siya? Hinahanap siya. Yung girlfriend niya mo. Diba? Ang girlfriend niya. Jillian, ano masasabi mo?
Ayun, sobrang nakakatuwa po. Sobrang Ate Kim. Grabe naman yung kami po. Ganon. Tapos, syempre, masaya po kasi napanood na namin. Ito na yung work na ginawa namin. Pero sobrang excited pa ako sa mga susunod na episodes. Kasi sabi ng EP namin, kaabang-abang siya.
Dalawa pa lang yun, di ba? Pasabog na kaagad ang kilig.
Correct.
Congrats, Jillian! Franco!
Yes, wow. It's first time namin napanood to at yan ang lahat ng hirap at saya yung ginagawa namin yung show. At least nakita namin yung first 2 episodes. Umpisa pa lang, nararamdaman natin yung kilig ng Kim Pao. And there's more. So kailangan subaybayan po natin yan starting March 18 on View. So download the app. You will get to watch the first 3 episodes. Pag nag-subscribe kayo, you get to watch the 5 first episodes na What's Wrong with Secretary Kim on View. And congratulations, Kim Pao. And special shout out to the 2 tables over there, our hardworking prod team.
Yes!
Yes, Miss Cathy and Miss Ro at ang View. Maraming salamat. Super worth it. Lahat ng hirap at pawis at lahat na dinaanan natin. Napakaganda po at maraming salamat.
Kat?
Ay, sobrang kilig na kilig ako. Ako yung may pinakamalakas na tingin dito sa harap. Kasi iba talaga yung projection nitong dalawa. As in, sobrang nakakakilig. Congratulations, Paukin. Totoo, hindi, wala tong HSC. Totoo, sobrang nakakakilig. Congratulations to you and to Dreamscape. And totoo yung sinabi ni Sir Franco na kudos to our staff and crew. Maraming salamat po for giving this material. Napakaganda po. And isa to sa sobrang nakaka-proud na project na nakasama po kami. Maraming salamat. And excited pa ako. Kaya mag-download na tayo ng View. March 18.
Paano pahabol ang Dreamscape? Maraming salamat.
Yes, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Well, Dreamscape representatives, Rodel Escayo.
Yes. Pepe?
Ako, I can say, as a man, I'm proud to say, kinikilig talaga ako. Grabe yung last scene na yun. Kasi kung mapapansin nyo, di ba, mula simula hanggang bago mag-last scene, chill yung vibe eh. Kasi chill yung mga director namin. Tapos biglang dinala tayo din sa last scene na yun, yung Marry Me na scene. Nakakakilig talaga. Mga babae ka man, mga palalaki, mga LGBTQ plus community member. Mga direct, ano mo sa inyo? Power.
Yan, alright. Again, congratulations. Now let's have photo op. Let's just call in first our friends from View. May we call in our friends from View and ABS-CBN Studios and Dreamscape. Alright, hindi na kayo. Kasama kayo sa photo. Yes, pwede nakatayo, pwede nakaupo. But si Kim sa si Pao nakatayo. Mas maganda pa nakatayo sila. Ayan, maganda. Yan, perfect. Yung may mga banner po, huwag masyado mataas. May mga tao sa likod. Ayan. Ayan, tama na yung ganyan. Yan. Kita naman kayo lahat, don't worry. It's a wide shot. Okay. Okay, tama na yan ha. Let's just keep it right there. Okay na kayo sa frame. Okay na yan. Okay, look at the center. Ready? 1, 2. One more. Wacky. 1, 2, yay! Oh, jump shot. Sharing na. Are we good? Are we good with the shot? One more for safety. Ready. 1, 2. Okay, isa lang daw for video. I love you. Okay, ready? Sabay. Ready? 1, 2, 3. There you go. Maraming salamat po. That's it. The View original adaptation, What's Wrong with Secretary Kim, is a partnership project of View Philippines and ABS-CBN Studios, produced by Dreamscape Entertainment, and directed by Direct Chad Vidanes, Kim, Pao, Franco, Jillian, Brian, Pepe, Kat. Maraming salamat, Franco. Thank you very much. To the fans, thank you! Maraming salamat for coming! Can we ask the production team and the cast to go on stage for one team photo? Alright, may we ask the cast again up on stage kasama ang buong team ng What's Wrong with Secretary Kim for one team photo. Again, streaming na po this March 18, 2024 exclusively on View. Kaya make sure to tell your friends and download the View app para sabay-sabay nating ma-witness ang umaapaw na chemistry ni BMC and Secretary Kim. Alam na natin na libre manood ng View, but if you want to enjoy early access to the episodes, just like you did today, get the 3-month View Premium subscription for only 349 pesos. Okay, Kim and Paolo are just signing a few streamers and tarps. Thank you very much sa lahat ng mga classes. Careful, careful. Meron ng mga classes. May tables, baka tumatapon. Careful, careful. Okay, so ito na po up on stage, the whole team of What's Wrong with Secretary Kim. Let's just wait for Kim and Paolo to join. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Sige. Can we ask Kylie and Rondell to join the ABS-CBN team, please? Can we also ask the promo team of Dreamscape to join? Children, Mike, please join. Atras tayo mga buto. O sige, atras din ako. Okay, look at the center, ready? Grabe na. 1, 2, there you have it. Maraming salamat, the whole team of the What's Wrong with Secretary Kim. Thank you all for coming. Thank you to the cast. Thank you to View. Thank you to Dreamscape. Thank you to ABS-CBN Studios. And best of all, thank you sa lahat ng fans na nandito ngayon. Maraming salamat for coming. And manood tayong lahat starting March 18. This has been MJ Felipe. Maraming salamat po. Good night, everybody! Thank you, Kim. Thank you, Pao. Maraming salamat. Thank you, everybody. Good night. Ingat po kayo sa Matuwe.
Congrats!
Congrats!
Diba dito na?
Mga tropa. Sige. Darating tayo dyan.
Gusto ko yung hairdo mo, Gamer.
Hindi ko maintindihan.